Welcome. Before we begin, we wish you a very happy new year and a prosperous investment journey ahead. In this video, I will be reviewing a few stocks that were asked by our members in our InfoA live stream. If you would like to be a part of our live stream, you can use the first link in the description to join our group where we conduct the live stream, talk about the markets, and also post opportunities in the market as and when they arise. The first stock is Relaxo. Relaxo is India's largest footwear manufacturer by volume and second largest by sales. Let's look at how the stock has done in the last year. It has had a good run from Rs 850 in the beginning of the year to Rs 1350 now. While was it the best? Doesn't look so, as the stock ranks at 58.60 on its PRS, which shows that there are about 40% of the companies in the market which have given better returns than Relaxo in the last 1 year. Relaxo price rank, which was at 72.10 in Jan 2021, has moved down to 58.60 in Jan 2022. It has traveled mostly in a range and many other stocks in the market overtook Relaxo on the stock price movement. Coming to earnings rank, Relaxo ranks low at 27.40, which has also seen a drop that is consistently sloping downwards. There are also many stocks that have been consistently overtaking Relaxo on their profit growth rather. It is not a good idea to own stocks that are going down on earnings rank. Can we invest in this stock now? A look at the chart shows the price rally that Relaxo had in the last year. It has retraced good amount of weakness which became prominent after it reached the peak of Rs 1445 in November 2021. After the weakness, the stock turned down, while it did not give up as stocks take time to reverse from their bull run. Relaxo has made one more attempt to go up after a bullish pattern emerged in late December, in which there is some more steam left in the stock to continue its upside. If holding a position, it will be a good option to look for profit booking as the stock reached 1445 levels. Buying here might not be a good choice. It will be a good option to look for a buy when the price comes closer to Rs 1225 levels. The next stock is Trident. As textile businesses are looking promising, Trident, which is one of the leaders of the industry in the current market, is surely to be benefited. This stock has made a beautiful 260% gain in the last 1 year after the stock moved to above 80 on its earnings rank. When a stock is at above 80, it becomes one of the best stocks of the market on profit growth. It continues to have big gains as long as the rank holds at the top. Price rank for Trident was the first to move above 80 and then followed by its earnings rank. After a small consolidation, price rank went up and made its permanent place at the top. Coming to the charts, after the stock moved to top ranks, price of the stock took some rest and then took off to never look back. Now the stock is going through another rest period. This time the range is bigger, which should take some time to move out. If the December results continue to have good stock, Trident should have one more upside. Trident is good for buy when its price gets close to 45 levels and look for a target at 60. The next stock is Hindalco, one of the strongest stocks in the metal sector in the current market. It has made 84% gains in the last 1 year with consistent upside rally. Large cap stocks have such big moves only when they are the top performers on profit growth. Hindalco earnings rank is currently at 94.50. It shows that there are only 5% more stocks in the market which are better than Hindalco on their profits. Investing in stocks that are the best gives the investor a huge peace of mind that his investment is safe. Earnings rank movement shows big volatility with multiple attempts to hold the top slot. This is an added advantage to Hindalco as it shows that the stock has been consistently managing to publish better results and keep the stock at the top. Price rank for Hindalco has been at the top quartile for most of 2021, showing some tiredness of late. So, can we invest in the stock now? Coming to charts, after a 2-year long run, it's showing some tiredness. Stock can trade in the range of 500 to 410 for some period. On the weekly chart, Hindalco has developed multiple weaknesses and in the current run-up, it can face resistance at Rs 525 levels. If holding a position, it's a good option to book maximum profit and add when the stock comes down close to 410 levels. Metal space looks to be promising for a couple of years from now, while we need to invest at the right levels to take advantage of the gains. The next stock is Hindustan Unilever. Though one of the best stocks in the FMCG sector, currently FMCG sector itself is going through consolidation. Most of the stocks in the sector have turned down, being the market non-favorite shows well on its ranks. HUL earnings rank currently at 25.80, coming down from 61.80 a year back, shows how poor the stock is when compared to other top performing stocks. FMCG stocks don't have big growth numbers, while they become very attractive when the broad market goes through a bear phase, where most of the core sector companies will have losses. Whereas now that the core sector is shining bright, defensives like FMCG will be at the receiving end. It is a good time to accumulate FMCG stocks for those investors looking for legacy wealth creation through stock holdings, because only during bull markets all growing stocks become cheap, else they are always priced higher. Price rank, which is presently at 20.30, again at the last quartile, is not good for short-term investing. Price rank had a spike which kind of completed HUL's last leg of bullishness. So what to expect from the stock? On the charts, HUL can hold a range of 2650 to 2101. Good to buy when price comes to 2100 levels and sell when it reaches close to 2650 levels. Looking at the weekly chart, HUL is getting ready for the next downside. So it will be a good opportunity for lifetime investors to add some exposure to the stock. The next stock is Whirlpool from the consumer durable sector. When the sector is going strong, there is a popular stock which has been languishing for a long period. On the ranks, both earnings and price ranks are at their lowest possible levels. On first sight of this kind of ranking, the clear message is don't invest. 1 year returns for Whirlpool is minus 26%. This when the broad market is up 26%. Next question to the investor, should you be invested in such a stock? Now let's go to the charts to find out how it is doing there. The Jan 2021 peak for the stock where it crossed 2700 mark clearly showed high level of weakness on its price. After that, Whirlpool prominently obeyed its patterns and slid down, which has consistently managed to give up gains and now currently in the bearish non-trending zone, which again is a restricted area. On the weekly charts, Whirlpool is in a strong bearish trend. When the stock reaches 2000 levels, it can turn down again. After the next drop, depending on pattern formation, one can look for buying opportunity. This will take a good long time to develop. Until then, it will be a good option to let the stock go on its way and we invest in those that are trending bullish. In the current market, there are loads of stocks that have strong bullish patterns. Opportunities to invest in them are regularly published in our discussion group. You can join our discussion group as mentioned using the first link in the description to get a regular list of stocks that have their next upside rally. Thank you for watching. Happy investing.